Day 39 of 2023. I had a typical workday. At night, I went to my daughter's orchestra's class concert at school. I was so impressed by their performance. It's amazing. They improved so much in just several months. I'm grateful for my daughter for being in such a great school environment that allows them to discover their interests, their talents, also provides socializing environment. I'm also grateful for myself for being at a company that is open and transparent and encouraging. Yet today I attended a meeting called All Producers Meeting, but I was able to attend it too. And in fact, at the meeting, one of the products that I have been managing to launch also was announced. It's a milestone for me, so cheers. And yesterday, I was also able to attend a meeting called the Behind the Scenes with the Chief Marketing and Communications Officer from Marsh. At a traditional place or workplace, it may take you years and decades to climb the ladder to be able to have that kind of conversation with the high-ups like him. But I was able to ask several questions, and he was friendly and encouraging and answering all the questions. So I'm just very grateful for such a great company culture